love it when I turn up the bass. They love it when I turn up the bass. They love it when I turn up the bass.
What is up there, everybody? Citrus Aviation here for another video. And today we are touring the airplane stop here in Las Vegas. I flew in on United Airlines and Delta Airlines. Took a Delta A220-100 from Salt Lake City to Denver, and then a United Boeing 737-900 from Denver to Las Vegas. After that, took an Uber over to the store and took a visit. So let's go ahead and get introduced to the store by Todd Models himself. So we're here with Todd of the Airplane Stop, famous for his Instagram account and for being the social media manager at Gemini Jets and doing a bunch of other things for the company.
How you guys doing?
So I was wondering, what is the Airplane Stop all about? We're here in Vegas, beautiful location, and what's the store all about, and a little bit about Gemini Jets.
Sure. The Airplane Shop is a separate entity. It's not part of ADI, the distributor, or Gemini Jets. It's run by the Daron company out of New Jersey. So there's, of course, an airplane shop in New Jersey, Fairfield, New Jersey, and one in Miami, and then here in Las Vegas. And we have the Gemini Jets collection on display here in the Las Vegas store, which you can see right now. Those are the 1 to 200 scale models. Most of them are still on display. We've had to put a few away because we've run out of space over time. And then on the flip side of those cabinets that you just saw are 1 to 400 scale releases all the way back to 1998 for Gemini Jets.
Impressive, and I've seen there are some spots over there for when new releases come out.
Yeah, there are, and we have some new cabinets here. There's some more spaces here. Right next to me, these are the December releases from 2023. They'll soon be replaced here in the store. Every time we get another month's releases, they'll go here after they've been sent out to all the retailers and distributors in the world. And I wear gloves, like I urged my buddy Sam Chewy to do when handling the die-cast models, because they really do. If you handle your models with bare hands, they'll leave fingerprints, and the oil on the models will then attract dust and dirt. And who wants dirty models?
No one. The Airplane Stop is located just underneath the approach path to runway 8 right in Las Vegas, Nevada, and has a massive selection of Gemini Jets models as well as some models from other brands. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at the store. I will be doing a full in-depth video of the models that are available for sale at some point in the near future that will show you all of the models on display and what the stock was at the time that I visited. So stay tuned for that, but this will be a quick overview for y'all to see. Hey, how's it going? Good. Here's the 747 with the opening rear cargo door. It's a dream lifter, so they carry aircraft parts in there, full fuselages. And then this section can open up and allows them to take the fuselages out and in one piece. That's a really cool aircraft and a cool model of it. The Director Series 747s. This is probably my favorite, the China Airlines version. And then Korean Air Cargo. I would love to pick up this one. Let's see what the discount bin special has to offer. The not Air Canada E175. Available for $25. That's kind of cool. And these are some defect models here. I could pick up for a decent price. I might do that. Let's take a look. what's up everybody, this is Citrus Aviation here with Todd at the airplane shop in Las Vegas.
Hey guys, what's up? Hey, I found this today. I'm going to present this to you, one of our favorite collectors. It's a Gemini Jets catalog that dates back to 2001.
Oh,
so,
wow.
Just for stopping by today, you can add this to all the models you're taking home. And don't forget his name, Citrus Aviation.
In total, I picked up 14 models from the airplane shop in Las Vegas, and then it was time to fly home. I'd fly home on a Delta A321, going back to Salt Lake City. So that's going to be it for this tour of the airplane shop. I hope you all enjoyed it. And if you have any questions, comments, and concerns, feel free to drop them in the comments down below. That being said, that's going to be it for this video. Stay tuned for a full, in-depth look at what was available at the airplane shop the day I visited there, and a full review of the Gemini Jets 1/400 scale collection cabinet of all the releases they've ever made. So that's it for the video. Thank you all so much for watching. Have a great rest of the day. God bless.